Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Lunar Classic video update for Wednesday 20th of July. And this is an unusual time for me to upload the Lunar Classic update, but now the downside is cancelled. Okay, so good news, good news, good news. Okay, so downside, the downtrend is pretty much cancelled, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame actually, so this is really important to talk about on the 1 hour time frame. Let me bring back the old drawings that I actually showed you in the previous videos, and let's go into the 4 hour time frame at the moment, and you can see that this is a very clear confirmation that there is no downtrend coming. There is no any other technical targets coming, and this was the end of the C correction. Okay, so we are done with the C correction. It is actually a very different pattern that I'm gonna tell you about right now at the moment. So you might say, what about this descending triangle? All right, descending triangle is in play as long as you don't cross a particular neckline. Okay, so when you cross that neckline, that's it, you cancel it. It's a cross, that's the end of it, right? Simple put. You are looking to come down as long as you're below this level. Okay, as soon as you actually cross that level, that's the end of it. There's no downtrend at all. And now it's time to reanalyze your charts, and this is amazing. Okay, we might have a very big rise for Lunar Classic to the moon. Okay, like literally to the moon. We might continue that one, and this tells me that that cup and handle scenario that I've been talking about previously might be in play right now. Okay, so we might start to see that cup and handle, and I'm going to show you how this looks really like. So you have that ball shaped cup right over there, and you're making that huge handle now, and you're breaking out of the handle, and we're looking for a nice amazing technical target. If you do come up here and break this level, not even there actually, this is going to be somewhere near here, and that's going to be there. So the technical target from there to there is going to take you from here, from the top to the bottom of the cup, right? So wherever you're going to break out in the future, you're looking for this thing to actually come up to 37,000 level. Okay, so I don't expect any downtrend at the moment. That's the end of the downtrends, guys, and once you're looking for 177% up to the upside for Lunar Classic in the next coming few days, I guess. And this is amazing. Okay, this is pretty much getting confirmed on the charts right now at the moment. Now, I've already told you the scenario to go up there. It's not going to go up there at the moment, but what is actually printing out at the moment, and it's really important to talk about, is inverse head and shoulders. So the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Okay, the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and this is known as inverse head and shoulder, and it's actually a what do you call this? Bullish reversal pattern. So let's go to Google once again, and I'm gonna search in inverse head and shoulders right there and show you the images, how they look like. So yeah, this is the first image. Lunar Classic really looks similar to this one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So the shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder. Okay, so I can show you countless of examples. I'm going to go through into this with you so that you can see. So this is how it looks like. Left first shoulder, head, and the second shoulder. You're going to see this one in a pictorial form as well. Amazing, right? So what is a I just want to give you the educational part of it, because this is a technical analysis channel, and it's not a financial advice or anything. So what does inverse head and shoulder indicate? What does inverse indicate? So the inverse head and shoulders chart is thought to predict a bearish to bullish trend reversal and signals that a downtrend is nearing to its end. Okay, so the downward trend is nearing its end. Investors consider it to be among the most reliable trend reversal patterns, and that's really true. Okay, and that's the reason why I thought, why not, let me actually bring this update at the moment. So I want you to go to the patterns, click on this icon here, XABCD pattern or whatever. So the patterns, and you're gonna go down here, and you want to click head and shoulders, right? So when you click on the head and shoulders, you want to draw this like this one. So this, to me, it seems like the left shoulder. It's pretty much a left shoulder. You do have the head here, and you pretty much have the right shoulder. Now, the reason why it also, qualifies to be an inverse head and shoulder is because you need at least like 15 candles to make a head and shoulder. So this is more than 15 candles. Okay, all these candles combined, actually on the left shoulder you need 15 candles. For the head you need nearly 15 candles, and for the right shoulder you need nearly 15 candle. So yeah, the check is pretty much there on every single direction. Okay, you're firing off the cylinder in every way possible. Now the thing is the neckline. So for the neckline, I want you to come up here and I want you to click candles and go to line. Okay, so what line does, it filters out the wicks. Okay, we don't need the wicks. And if you look at it this way, the proper way to draw a trend line is to get as many touches as possible. So here's your trend line. Okay, that's your trend line right over there, and something like this one as well. Boom. Okay, now inverted and shoulder. Now let's bring the candles back and let's hide the indicators. Actually, I'm gonna go to Heikin-Ashi as well, because Heikin-Ashi has less wicks to the upside, and this one pretty much shows me that everything is pretty much perfectly done right now. So what I'm gonna do is go back to the candles, and here we are. This is the main candle that I'm talking about. So the next technical target for Luna Classic that we're looking for is gonna be from the top here to the bottom, and this is where you're gonna be breaking out. Then you're looking for Luna Classic to basically move all the way up to this price level, which is gonna be 13343. Okay, and that's a very good sign. And as a matter of fact, that's where the resistance of the cup and handle really is. And then we're gonna find the moment of truth. Once you come up here to this level and you break it out with a big volume back test, hasta la vista, baby. You know, just as Arnold Schwarzenegger would say. It's really hard to take that name. Anyway, if you want to learn more of the trading, I want to show you my trading course, 18 hours of contents, guys. If you want to take this, I'm not even kidding, it's going to help you big time, because if you've been following this updates, you do know that for the past 2 months maybe, or 1.5 months, I've been killing it with Luna Classic updates, and everything has been true so far. So there's 42 topics to learn about. So let's say if you do come up here to this price level, you know, make some bucks out, trade some little bit of the bucks out, and do check to buy the course as well. If you need a discount, you can message me on the Discord. The Discord is absolutely free to join. The link is in the description of the video, and I'm going to give you a discount to buy by $29. You're going to get $20 off by paying with cryptocurrency, right? Anyways, now let's go back into the chart once again, and let's look at the weekly as well. So yeah, the weekly, I talked about how we might make three black crows, but it's not interested to do that at the moment, and this is going to go up, and you're going to make something known as a morning star. And I highly realize that once you do go up here, then there's a huge uptrend. I do believe as well that Luna Classic is going to somehow one day come up to this level as well, 44,000 level. And that's it for this update, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one, and it is what it is. Do check out the course, join our Discord for absolutely free of charge. Nothing cost you to join the Discord, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.